Assistant Professor, Rostibullah, guest faculty. And who is the chief guest of today's program. They are the members of Manipur State Commission for Degree and College. In our meeting.
Campaign committee documents for one-day workshop.
Is a combating gender-based violence happening. Strategies for prevention and support happening. Gender-based violence happening na violence because we are women. Nupini akoy handabat haptalay habagi question da akoy masagi akoy the violence on base. Si sigi pot se akoy na sinjari ba program sina masay akoy angang singda awareness create tauraga how to prevent and support those who are affected by the violence happening. Aduga mostly it comes out because of gender inequality. Aduga when a society na thambiba koigi gender da nupi sina sontharaba kamlup ni haibagi potta koi nupana patriarchal society ni na moina mathak thongaga akoi makhada leigadabani haibagi pottuni ko aduna hojikti amna nupi su moigi potentiality dagi effectiveness kaisumda su watre ko aduna sidaida any society asagi koina ngasi kari koigi nupi namdhadana leibagi potsi leiragadi progressive society habdo kaidongoida su oiba ngamoy haba aduna sigi potse koina nupimcha singsida through the education we are imparting in the college the awareness create toraga how to empower them economically economic empowerment yaudragadi masai koina khaliba potse exercise to bodi ta sekna ngamoy adugi masai gi adugi awareness to create toba and through the resource person mana koi legally koi kai to bayai those who are affected moi kari karamba pambai season naraga moi challenge to meet to bangam gani habagi photo adugi awareness to create tawjanaba tawnanaba koi program si sijaban
adu masida hojiki hoi gp gi oina haitare ko gp gi oina hojiki kanu balance ki matang ji kam lekhiba yaw duga yaw ba chhatra sing se hadi hojiki tawgodriba thabak se dum kaitare mai pa kani khanbran ta kana kari kari habing le kan ta
ota singna koi college ki campus ta sumba thodok se reported oi bading asi phawda leithri ko aduga perhaps moigi parents ki maraktaga moina personal kanoda level da leiramba yai that we are not aware so aduga parent ki level da leiragadi ko and moigi household da thokpo pot to the if we give this kind of awareness maybe effectively they might be able to help themselves out from that situation aduki thazabadu thamjaraga koi program se sinjabun